Hi, today let's discuss about variables and constants in Go. We can create variables at function level as well as package level. For example, so in this program, what I did, I have a main function and I have declared a variable called I. So the way I did in case of I variable is basically I declared the variable I using var keyword and then initialized it in the next line. You can also do the initialization in the same line as the declaration, just like here, using equals and the value, initial value. And in this example here, what I did is I removed the data type. What happens is basically data type is inferred from the value that you're trying to initialize it with. And there is even a shorter version of that, which is basically you can get rid of using var and directly use colon equals to, like L colon equals to 10. So in this case, declares and initializes the variable with the value 10. So if I run this program, I'm basically printing all the variables here. So let's run it and see. As you can see, it inferred the data type as int for all the examples here. Even though I did not mention the data type here, it inferred it to be int. Next, let's look at the small program that actually creates the variables at the package level. So what I did here in the first example is I declared the variable m, and initialization is done in other place. In this case, it is done in the main function. So similar to the previous program, we can declare and initialize separately. And you can also declare and initialize in the same line. There's no difference compared to the previous program. And the way we infer the data type while declaring is also same. But in case of package level variables, you cannot actually use the shorthand option for declaring and initializing the variable. So this is not allowed. This is only allowed within another function. So let me go ahead and run. So even in this case, it inferred the data type as int correctly for this variable O. Now, let's go ahead with constants. In Go, we declare constants using the keyword const, and rest of the things is similar to a variable, except that you cannot actually declare and initialize separately. Because constant, when you declare it, it has to be given an initial value. So in line 16, I'm actually declaring a constant j and initializing it with the value 10. And in line 19, I'm actually inferring the data type for the constant from the initial value that I'm providing. And of course, shorthand notation is not allowed. So this is the example for creating a constant at the package level, sorry, at the function level. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So like you can see, it inferred the value correct, inferred the data type correctly. Now let's look at the example to declare constants at package level. So this is basically similar to what we did in the previous one. We can actually declare a constant at the package level and initialize it in the same line, and you can also defer the data type using by initializing. So let's go ahead and run this as well. You can see the results here. So it inferred it correctly. Thank you for watching this video.